Welcome to Comment Cocktails, Dan.
Don't even come near me.
He does it every time. Like he always.
There was a conversation going on when you started, and I was finishing it up.
Wow.
I thought you were done because words stopped. And then you're like, ah!
See what you just did? Word stopped. And then you went, ah! See, that happens in conversations.
I was
sometimes.
waiting for your response. You said nothing.
Okay.
So I kept going. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek are going to make for you the Velvet Hammer. Boom!
Velvet Hammer.
Velvet
Get
Hammer.
to it.
I
Vodka. 1 ounce of vodka.
I put this all out, and everybody in this room has been like, what? What?
It's going to be
what?
awesome.
What are you doing? What is that? Milk and magnesia? What's going on? So there's no milk and magnesia.
That's what it's going to taste like.
The Velvet Hammer is going to be 1 ounce of vodka, 3/4 ounce of triple sec, 3/4 ounce of creme de cacao, 3/4 ounce of half and half, 3/4 ounce of 2% milk. I only have 1%, so we'll just double it. I'm kidding about that. Just break that.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
Shit.
1/4 ounce of grenadine.
Feels like that.
Shake, strain, and just like that. Before the or after the loud crashing noise.
Before. See what happens when you make us do shots at the very beginning?
No. After like 4 tastings?
What did I just put in?
3/4.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
3/4.
You can't possibly be drunk.
No, I'm
You're
not.
just confused.
I'm discombobulated.
Right, because we've only made one drink.
Like, I'm confused of why we need half and half and milk. Like, why do you need both of
For
these in this
consistency.
drink?
Dude,
Why don't you just use whole
Here,
milk or something?
3/4.
I don't even know. I just followed the recipe. This is a recipe I got from Difference Guy because there was like 7 different recipes, all of which had somewhat entirely different ingredients. Difference Guy's pretty consistent. I've made their drinks before, so I know that their drinks are qualified as real. Sometimes I use liquor.com, but they didn't have them
3/4.
for this. This drink is got.
Because no one
Almost
drinks
equal
this
parts.
drink.
Yeah,
Dude.
almost.
All I know is it existed
gonna
out
drink
there,
this
which I
drink.
didn't even know existed.
Oh,
before
somebody's
that. And
drinking
it
that
came up with
drink.
the results, and I was like, oh, this is a
milk
thing.
and magnesia.
Yeah.
Dairy drinks are tough.
It's gonna look like a velvet hammer.
The comments I
It's
saw
gonna
were
look like
pretty
velvet,
good.
and then when you drink it, it's gonna fucking hammer your stomach with cream. That's what it's gonna do.
Can't even
Trying
look.
to get me to drink it.
No, it's just a chocolate white Russian. There's nothing scary
Jen's
about this.
Jen's gonna come up and chug it when we get done.
Yeah,
That's what she said.
She loves the cream.
See, now the
You
time
do.
on that.
Tippy cow. Don't tell me you don't like it the cream.
Do we put gray? Oh no, we're just putting gray
That's
now.
your garnish. That's your garnish.
We need a coupe.
Or, what? That is.
No, that's fine. No, it's fine.
It
We
might
can deal with that.
with ice. It's probably gonna fit. I have made corn and oil.
Corn and oil.
Corn and oil. It's like
Oh, we had corn and oil.
it's an ounce of rum and an ounce of falernum.
Yeah.
Boom. It's on
We
the
had
back of
corn
the
and oil.
falernum bottle. Right?
We had one night of like all those drinks.
Corn and oil. Half velvet falernum. Yeah. 2 ounces of this. Or no.
That looks like a velvet
Barbados
hammer.
rum. Stir.
Boom. Boom. I love this.
Rate that shit.
We have a different thing somewhere, right?
You need like a microplane.
Nutmeg.
No, oh, see, now you definitely need to try it. You like nutmeg?
I love the way you're trying to sell this. Here's an ingredient you love.
Oh my god, this is gonna be so good.
Because there's a star
it's
in there.
It's strawberry milk.
Yeah, with wood on top.
Yeah.
Yeah, with wood on top.
Strawberry.
We
milk.
always make drinks that are the best.
Does that all fit on there, you think?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
Fuck
see?
yes!
Click, click.
See?
Oh, look at that.
And there you have it! Look, it's
All
a
right.
hammer.
You can't say that.
Sure I can.
Okay.
Go ahead, hammer it.
I should have videotaped it and sent it to him.
It looks cool.
Yeah, it looks good.
Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, it does look good.
When ladies
like
drink
it
the
should
Velvet
be
Hammer, they are
strawberry
no
milk.
longer
It has
ladies.
a strawberry flavor.
I should tell Sky to make this in a pitcher. Like in a big jug. Because he has to make everything in a fucking jug.
You can save that for Jalith. I'll drink this stuff. I don't want to take all of her beverage.
You don't have any wood on it though.
Yeah.
Here, smell it
Oh,
while you
how's
drink
wood?
it.
What is it without the wood?
Oh yeah, there we go.
Yeah, smell it.
Yep.
Well,
Dan, your face is not helping.
dude, what's
Not
wrong with
bad.
this drink?
It's fine.
It's not bad. It tastes like milky grenadine.
Ew.
No, there's some chocolate in there.
Yeah, I love chocolate. Little
It's like chocolate milk.
That's a good Valentine's Day drink, actually.
Happy Valentine's Day! This probably goes out way after Valentine's Day.
Yeah, because that's
25th.
tomorrow.
Here's your velvet hammer. Bam.
I don't see a problem with this drink.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's not
I
bad.
mean, you can
I think that
serve up
I
a
mean-
velvet hammer. And
I think the
velvet
nutmeg
purple
kind of
hammer.
does it though. Like it gives a nice aroma. Otherwise,
Yeah.
it's just gonna taste. It's gonna smell like cream.
Yeah, I mean, I totally would
It's a
drink
fucking
like
white. It's a chocolate white
sips of
Russian.
that.
It's a chocolate white Russian that's not as boozy.
I always added like a little bit of Chambord to White Russians too. That's good. So
See?
it's kind of like this is. It's kind of like that, only it's more muted.
Yeah, you know, this doesn't have. This is sweeter. It doesn't have
It's
a lot
very-
of vodka.
Yeah, it's very
Oh yeah, there's definitely
very light.
yeah.
It tastes like a kid's drink,
You know what? Instead of nutmeg shavings, that could be chocolate shavings.
dude.
It tastes like chocolatey grenadine.
Yeah, I don't see a problem with that.
It's cream.
As long as it's like an after dinner drink and there's one.
Throw a cherry in there.
Yeah, I mean, as long as like you're sharing it with like 10 people, I mean, I think it's fine.
That's a crazy party.
I think you love it, Dan.
It's really
You
not
don't like
good.
dairy drinks? You know what this
No,
is?
it's,
I like
it's,
dairy
Dan
it's
doesn't like vodka or dairy drinks.
So you know what he's missing? It's missing.
you don't
lemon.
taste vodka at all.
He needs
so,
some lemon in here for Dan.
Yeah. Oh, lemon and milk.
So if you like creamy
Some
drinks
shit.
and you like vodka, but you don't want to taste the vodka,
So you
because
don't
who
like,
wants to taste vodka?
Right.
Well,
You don't
there's
taste
nothing else.
anything.
Vodka,
right?
Yeah.
It's got
Yeah.
nothing. But what about White Russians? Not a big fan.
Oh, I love White Russian.
What the fuck?
Well, it tastes better than that.
Why?
This is like sweet. It's got some of the grenadine.
So you
Like
want
the
more
triple sec
booze.
comes through,
You
like-
need more vodka.
It's like the orange cherry chocolate. Like
You need more coffee too.
it feels like it doesn't need to be creamy.
But White Russians are creamy.
Yeah, but it should because it's like more like coffee chocolate.
Okay,
like-
so that the coffee is what you want
yeah.
without the orange. There's no. Oh, there is triple sec. You get the. It would be like
Maybe
the last,
I think maybe the
You're like a
orange and the
B50 or B-
grenadine, like the triple
KGB.
sec and the like. It's not bad. I mean, it's not like I wouldn't spit it out. I didn't spit it out.
Well, thanks, because fucking gross. Our executive producers,
I don't
Erin
know. I'll try it again.
Bila, new YouTube member. You can click the join button if you want to join and become a member, as that's how it works. You get cool emojis and stuff, but who cares about all that when you're helping me? Right? I
I
mean,
don't know. You're just like, ugh. Try it.
You'll like it. It's good.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. I think it's good.
I mean, I think if you like
I like
triple
the
sec,
concept.
You're
grenadine,
not convincing me
and
to
cream?
face Dan.
No, I like cream.
he
drinks.
likes cream drinks.
Yeah.
the problem's not even the vodka. It's the I don't know.
Triple
I
sec?
think the triple sec. Maybe with no triple sec.
I don't think that's.
You have a
The
problem
triple
with
sec,
orange?
and yeah, I don't like the orange and chocolate. I'm
That
not
is
an orange-
happening twice
You know
for
when you
you.
have that chocolate thing, it looks like an orange, and you boom, and you break it
There
up.
is chocolate.
No, it tastes like shit. I don't like it.
That's what the problem is.
Yeah, that's the problem. Tastes like shit.
It wasn't
boom,
the
throw it in the
coffee
fucking garbage.
after all. It was
Yeah.
it was the
You don't-
chocolate.
You don't like the orange on pastries.
We
No, I
said
don't
when we
like-
had the KGB shooter over here.
Yeah.
I said to Ian at the end of the episode, I think it was filmed, I said, it's like a Terry's chocolate orange. I don't think you were paying attention, but
No.
now you're like doing the motion. I love that stuff. Mixing those two together. It's like Terry's
Mixing.
chocolate orange with coffee.
I was thinking
Yeah,
Terry
see, I don't do
chocolate
that.
orange.
Yeah.
You know-
And that's exactly the same. So the first two drinks to start out this month are both drinks that are your art nemesis
just-
because you don't like
Yes.
these two things together. You're just like, oh, no,
Yeah,
I don't want to do
So
that.
maybe
That's
this is like you understanding how I feel on Mezcal nights.
yeah.
Or Derek on Campari nights.
Yeah. See, I get it.
Yeah.
We all have our thing.
And now I'm going to make
You
sure I
might
have
like
a whole
it.
month
So try it.
of these two things. You're dead to me.
What do you mean? You like
He means you're dead to him.
Yeah, I figure it was
You know-
quite obvious.
Yeah. It was all in caps. I mean,
Oh, and happy National Chocolate Covered Nut Day for those that are following along.
Yeah, just don't make it like covered
that's
in like
today?
orange chocolate.
time for a shower.
Yes. Anyway, there you go.
Is that that
Sidebar.
smell?
Yeah.
Oh,
Chocolatey nuts.
chocolate nuts.
Suck on my chop.
This video's over there. There's a bartender starter kit. You can use coupon
Rub
code
some orange out of
DRINK15. Save 15% off at
Yeah, but
AwesomeDrinks.com,
then you won't
my
put
store,
anyone
until April 21st, 2021. This, you've seen shows before.
See,
This is
you
how
like
it always
chocolate
is.
orange.
I do.
So I think just give it a sip.
All right.
Here. Give that
She's
a try.
gonna sip it. We're gonna.
Jen's gonna
we're-
try it.
We're gonna roll. If you're watching the live stream, you'll get the reaction. We're teaching you how to drink.